Welcome to Burlap Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to add user in QuickBooks, updated. Open the gear icon, select Manage Users, then click Add User to begin the process immediately. Choose either Standard User or Admin, then assign specific access permissions for sales, expenses, or payroll. Enter the user email and send the invite, and confirm permission levels before saving to ensure the right access and security for your company files. Start by deciding what role the new person needs within QuickBooks so you set the right permissions from the start. An admin has full system control, while standard users can be customized for invoices, bills, or payroll. Reports-only users can view financial data but cannot edit transactions. Choosing the correct type prevents errors and keeps sensitive information secure while maintaining smooth team collaboration across your accounting workflows. If this video is helping, please subscribe and like so you see more quick tutorials and updates. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. They're comfy during long accounting sessions and never slow you down. Check the description for the link and other deals if you want to grab a pair. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. When assigning permissions, think about daily tasks the person will perform to avoid overgranting access by accident. Use the checkboxes to allow or restrict sales, expenses, banking, or payroll functions based on their role. Double-check custom permissions for vendors, customers, and reports to keep sensitive data safe. After saving, verify the user can perform required actions and adjust any permissions quickly if something is missing or too broad.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.